That's
mine.
there. Did that for you.
Good.
Are you going back for another one? Or?
I don't know yet. I don't know what's the plan today.
Are you the Pinoy trucker?
Oh, how did you know?
Because I fucking know everything.
Huh?
Oh, you go down the rabbit hole. Well, you watch you and then, oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Yeah. But you don't know.
3 hours later.
But you don't know understand what I'm saying, right? Because it's Tagalog. It's Filipino.
I was going to say, is it Tagalog you're speaking? Or?
Yes, Tagalog. Yeah. Well, I called your mom Ma as like.
Why?
Yeah,
Sound
Ma.
like your son.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back sa channel. So nandito kami ngayon sa Headingley dahil ako ay pabalik na ng trabaho. So kahapon dumaan lang ako dito sa Winnipeg dahil yung party ni Macaulay was yesterday, 23, doon sa Kid City. So hindi na ako nag-video doon dahil may mga bata, hindi ko rin alam kung yung
Do you even know their names?
yung bang may mga parents na ayaw nila masali yung mga bata or kahit sila. So hindi na lang ako nag-video doon. So thank you sa mga kasamahan kong driver, si Paring Johnny, si Jomar Villanueva at saka sa kanyang family. Thank you so much. Yeah. Na pumunta doon at saka yung mga taga-Price na pumunta kasama ng aking wife, and then sa shoutout sa aking pinsan si Junior, si Mr. Farmville. Yeah, siya nagluto ng mga then sa Lamiraj, shoutout sa mga pagkain. Kay Tuna, thank you so much sa donation ng mga food, mga sweets na niluto nila. So actually kaya Tilina, maraming salamat. Huwag ka masyadong magpaka-stress. Okay lang yun. That's only food. That's okay. And Heidi and Luby family, sa aking Tito Carding, kay Tita Siling, Harley and Heidi, sa lahat ng mga kamag-anak ng wife ko na kung nanonood dito sa video, maraming thank you sa pumunta. And sa Price Industries, mga kasamahan ng wife ko, thank you so much sa pagpunta ninyo. And sa mga kaibigan ni Kensley na pumunta doon. So hindi ako nag-vlog kasi ayokong baka yung iba nga hindi or ayaw masali sa video. So iwasan ko na lang yung
sa mga kumare at kumpare.
Oh yeah, sa mga kumare at kumpare.
And classmates ni Kali.
Classmates, yeah. Maraming tao, maraming food kahapon.
Do you even know your name, Paul?
Maraming food na serve, maraming mga
Sharon.
like Sharon, of course, di maiwasan yung mag-Sharon,
Yeah.
no? So talagang
Nathan's dad.
busog lahat sa party ni Kali. Ano lang naman siya, wala naman siyang program, but it's only like mga bata naglalaro lang doon sa Kid City. Then mga parents, mas maganda kasi kung may mga bata yung ganito dahil naglalaro lang sila, exercise, pawisan. So yeah, pasensya na walang video doon dahil iniwasan ko yung masama yung iba sa vlog, tapos ayaw pala nila, ayun lang makita sa
mga ninong
camera.
at ninang ni Kali.
Yeah. So ngayon, babalik ako. Today is Sunday. Babalik ako sa work. I-drop ko lang tong load sa Saskatchewan sa customer, and then for sure wala na, hindi na ako bibigyan ng load dahil meron akong bakasyon ngayong week na to. So malamang pag unload diretso na balik sa Winnipeg. So meron akong 6 hours drive, but I don't know if kaya 3 o'clock, 4, 5, 11, no, I don't think so, hanggang 11 o'clock. So parang kaya ko lang siguro hanggang border ng Manitoba at Saskatchewan. Yes sir.
I forgot my question.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, what's your question? So, nandito kami sa Headingley. Daming truck.
Nakalis na si ano.
Alis na si Milton? Yeah. Yeah, so far wala nang queue line niya. Yan si Bordagol. Buti wala nakatabi sa kanya.
Traffic. So traffic on this street.
Oh yeah. Bordagol. Bordagol.
Board the goal mo.
Malaki.
Malaki. Akala ko barter bulan.
Yeah. Okay, akin ang susi ko. Nag-iisa na lang yan.
Thank you muna sa lahat.
Yeah, thank you so much sa mga lahat ng pumunta
I hate
sa birthday ng aking celebration. Tapos na naman yung birthday. But ang kagandahan nga, nung kahapon yung celebration, nakauwi ako, no? Nagkaroon ng time na dumaan muna ako sa Winnipeg para maka-attend sa kanyang celebration.
Kaibigan.
So, thank you so much paring Johnny, paring Binje at saka
Lolota.
Villanueva family na pumunta kasama ka namin.
Lamiraj. Thank you
Yeah.
sa inyong lahat. Lahat ng mga pumunta, mga kamag-anak, mga kaibigan, mga ninong at ninang ng aming si Macaulay, sa aking mga katrabaho, sa mga kaibigan ng aking asawa, ng aming panganay na si Mackensley, sa mga kaibigan niya. Maraming salamat sa aking mga kamag-anak. Although wala akong kapatid dito, pero mayroon naman akong mga kamag-anak, mga pinsan, tito at tita na laging nandyan para sa
Yeah.
amin.
Iiyak na yan.
Mga pamangkin, thank you.
Yeah, so anyway, yun. Balik sa trabaho, but just for one night lang ako nagstay dito, and then balik sa trabaho, then babalik din naman ako in a couple of days. Kakarga ulit ng mga gamit sa ano. Meron nga pala ano, yung oh my god,
Eating pizza again?
ang hilig niya sa pizza. Kaya mo ubusin yan?
Yeah.
Ha? Oh my.
Ganda pa ng date. Ano niya oh. Anak, may tissue.
Yan, takaw niya sa
Yun ang
pizza.
tissue, give mo kay
So, meron pala kahapon na isang bata na nanonood din pala sa akin. Anak ni Jomar Villanueva. Then, pagkakita niya sa akin, si Cristob. Yeah, si Cristob.
Yung lalaki na
Yung bata. Yung bata.
Ah, yung bata mismo?
Yung anak na.
Oh.
Nanonood pala sa akin. Then sabi niya, oh, Pinoy Tracker. So, sabi ko, pinaalam ko naman sa kanyang parents kung pwedeng i-upload yung video niya. Binigay ko tong GoPro.
Oh.
Kaya sabi niya, kailangan daw niya ng 10,000 followers. Pero meron doon siyang 27 subscribers, but meron daw nag-unsubscribe sa kanya. So binigay ko itong GoPro sa kanya, and then sabi ko, sige, mag-vlog ka. Pero nagpaalam ako sa parents niya na kung pwede i-upload yan ang video.
Hello guys, today we're at Kidzona, but I don't know, but yeah, let me explore. Alright, I think we're good. We're just gonna hide right here, and yeah, we're doing good so far. So we're playing hide and seek right now, so yeah, that's perfect. We need to find a way to hide. Let's just squeeze through here. Now this is the part when it gets rough. I got you guys. Whew, that close. This is the perfect spot to hide, so yeah, this is the perfect spot. Before they find us. No, you have a vlogger. Can you vlog me? Okay, sure. So we have a new guest here. This is my... Okay. We're gonna hide. Wait, can I hold that? No. I'm using it. And now. I understand strangers are friends that you haven't met. Okay, we're almost done. Just to get here. This is the trickiest part I ever done. Oh my god! Alright, let's get down. Let's get down. Come on! Where are you going? That's close. We made it out.
You're good?
Yep.
Oh, thank you so much. Crystal, what's your channel name?
Christoph the Explorer.
Huh? Christoph
Christoph the Explorer.
Explorer?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Like Dora the Explorer?
So, naintindihan niyo yung sinabi niya, guys. Just English is spoken to sa Christoph, eh. How many subscribers you have?
27.
27? So, you want more?
Yes.
How much? How much you want? Like
10K.
10K? Guys, 10K. Christoph
The Explorer.
the Explorer. So, Christoph the Explorer. Okay, sige, I'm gonna find out, okay? Christoph, 10K? Okay, 10K. Guys, 10K ha. 10K na sa followers yung kailangan niya. Ano to?
Malamig.
Wag na. Wag na.
Palaw eh.
Yeah. Meron pang malamig. Tatain ako. Kiss na ako.
Bye! See you
Take care,
today.
guys. Take care. Takaw mo, boy. Love you.
Thank you for calling back. See you today.
Kiss na.
I love you, my dear. Ingat! See you
Take care.
tomorrow.
Take care, okay? PM niyo ako pag nandun na sa bahay. Ha?
Ingat!
Yeah. Bye-bye. Tinatapos ko lang tong aking pre-trip hours, pre-trip time. Then balik na ako sa highway ng Trans Canada 1. I'm not sure kung hanggang kailan ako tonight. Maybe sa border, maybe sa Balgoni. Yeah, maybe sa border na lang siguro. Ayoko lang masyadong magpapagabi dahil, you know, hindi siya kailangan. Kung meron tayong matulog sa araw, may araw pa rin tulog sa araw. And thank you kay sa aking insan, Junior. Nagbigay siya ng mga pipino kasi marami siyang pipino eh. Tawag doon? Ka-farm bill. Ka-farm bill ang tawag ko dahil dami niya mga halaman. I mean mga gulay. So pipino, ang tawag na doon ay, ang tawag na dito ay ensalada, di ba? Lalagyan ng konting suka. Fresh na fresh sa kanyang garden. Ensalada. Mamaya ko nang dadalihin pag once nasa highway na para iwasan to. Si Melvin umalis na kaninang umaga yata papuntang Diana. Good morning mga Chuy, mga Chay. Good morning internet. Good morning viewers. Nandito ako ngayon sa Balgoni Flying J. Kagabi, dito na ako nag-stop over. Then shoutout nga pala sa aking kaibigan si Denfred, dumaan dito, nakita kami. Hindi na siya tumigil dito para, chit-chat. Saglit lang, few seconds, then hit the highway. So yung aking customer, nandito na lang 14 kilometers galing dito. So may gender dito sa may bago mag-Regina. So lapit na lang. So not sure, pagka-unload dito, mamaya in a few minutes tapusin ko na itong pre-trip ko, tapos na ako mag-check ng truck bago ko pa na-hit yung aking ilag. Not sure kung meron pa silang load na ibibigay or back to Winnipeg na ako. Kasi nga sa 30 meron akong off starting 30 up to September 5. So hindi ko alam, para papuntahin ako ng Saskatoon para sa mga deliveries, local deliveries, like sa yard ng Q-Line papunta sa mga farmers, yung may mga gulong na ang gender. Hindi ko alam, pero okay din siya, local deliveries hanggang matapos yung aking 30, kasi ngayon pa lang ay 25. So meron pa akong 4 days na mag-roam around, biyahe. But I'll try na hihingi ng biyahe para ma-maximize ko yung aking 4 na araw. Pero kung wala na, babalik ako ng Winnipeg. Then sa Winnipeg merong Thermo King. Naalala nyo, meron akong problema sa EPU. Umaandar ang EPU, umaandar siya, pero wala siyang aircon, no? Sa gabi, pinapatay ko na lang ang tawag dito, ang truck, kasi malamig na naman sa gabi, hindi na masyadong ganun kainit. Pero pag bobtail lang ako, yun ang problema. Kung bobtail, hindi mo pwedeng apply yung trailer brake. So kailangan naka-apply lagi yung trailer brake para makakuha ka ng continuous nung idle. So ang gagawin na lang, sampa sa gutter yung drive, then release ang brake. Walang brake pero nakasampa siya sa gutter. So meron ka pa ring EPU, yung engine nag-idle siya, meron siyang aircon. Pero kung wala na talagang biyahe, sabihin sa akin na okay, you go home. Then na-schedule ako ng paggawa ng EPU dun sa Winnipeg na. Iwanan ko na sa Winnipeg kasi mayroon namang Thermo King sa Winnipeg, malapit dun sa pinaparadahan kong truck stop, malapit na rin sa bahay. So iwanan ko na siya dun, then iwanan ko na siya dun. So yun ang aking plan. Kung wala, so be it. Kung meron, then let's go. Guys, bear with me. It's gonna be a long video, huh? Papansin nyo ba, maliit yung snipe bar ko. Pinaputulan ko siya kasi mas madali ka mag-secure, lalo pag mga ganitong mababa, kasi pag mahaba siya, tapos pag nandito na yung butas, tatama na to eh. So ito sakto lang talaga siya. Madali lang siyang i-secure dahil 4 lang na kadina yung kailangan mo. And alam niyo ba kung paano ilang kadina yung kailangan nyo sa isang equipment? Yung paano mo ma-estimate ilang kadina yung kailangan mo sa isang malaking equipment? Explain ko sa inyo. Saglit lang, tanggalin ko lang to dahil papakita ko sa inyo ang explanation or ilang kadina yung need mo. Okay, sample. Itong equipment, ang weight niya, total weight niya lahat is 45,000 pounds. 45,000 pounds ang equipment. So ilang kadina ang kailangan mo? Itong kanina to, ito ay half inch. Okay, half inch nakalagay. Half inch. So yung half inch, grade 70. Yeah, this is grade 70. Grade 70 ang working load limit niya, WLL. Itong working load limit nitong grade 70 na half inch ay 1,300 pounds. Ito siya, 1,300 pounds. So ang aking load ay 45,000. Okay, 45,000. So apat na half inch, lagay mo na lang sa tag 11,000. So almost 44,000 pounds na, plus 300 pounds. Sobra-sobra pa siya. So paano malalaman? Itong grade 70, yeah, G70 half inch, 11,300 pounds. Pag grade 80, that's 12,000 pounds. Grade 80. Ang grade 100, dito mo laging titingnan, ang grade 100 is 15,000 pounds. Yung mas malaki nito, same half inch pero grade 100. So mas matibay. So that's 15,000 pounds yung working load limit niya. The more chain na ilalagay mo, the more secure yung load. Just like sa combine, yung combine is almost 57,000 pounds. So ilang chain yung nilalagay namin, di ba? Dalawa dito, dalawa doon, so apat. Grade 70 din yun. Tapos 5 sa likod. So tawag doon double kill, no? The more chain, the more secure ang load. Merong maputol dyan, wala naman siguro napuputol sa half inch. Meron ka pa ring support na sobra-sobra. Kung yung isang combine ay 55,000 pounds like that, and then meron kang 9 chains na grade 70 na 11,300 ang ganyang working load limit. So may almost ka na 100,000 na force, down force. So wala kang kaba dun. Kahit putol yung isa dyan, wala kang kaba. Mag-iwan ako ng isa doon dahil medyo palusong up, medyo nakatungo siya ng ganyan. Huwag lang siyang didiretso dahil I don't know if merong brake ang ganito. Yeah, we should not take tires because
they come on us. Typically, they would come on
another truck. Separate load. Yeah,
separate load. Yep.
Because the time they load this one, they asked me if I'm gonna take some tires. No, I said no, because if I'm gonna be overweight.
That's right. You'd be too heavy.
Yeah, overweight. Then I cannot get overweight permit because it's divisible.
That's right. Because it's not one. Yeah, if it
just
was
only one item.
A 9RX 830. There's nothing you can do about it.
Yeah.
It's 84,000, and that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
But
it's all yours. there's one thing in life is missing.
I'll do a quick. You want to leave that
Yeah.
with me? I'll do a quick walk around.
Yeah,
Perfect.
double check, and can you sign just no damage if you can't find any damage?
Right. Do you want me to write no damage?
Yeah,
or
yeah, no damage, and then printed your
just sign
name.
it? Yeah, sure.
Then there's this is my copy,
There's your customs,
customs, and that's
get the parking
yeah,
slip.
parking slip.
and I'll take one of them.
Yeah,
And then sign
date
it
and
there.
signature. Thank you, sir.
Very good. No worries.
Yeah, just making sure na everything is safe and sound, na walang damage yung equipment bago nila pirmahan. Kasi yun nga sinasabi ko, pag nag-complain, meron silang sasabihin na, hey, we have damaged this one. Then diba, it's too late. Sasabihin mo, oh, wala naman siyang damage dahil nung deliver ko siya, walang damage. So how can be sure na walang damage, no? So make sure na galing sa kanila habang hindi ka pa nakalabas ng yard nila, makita mo yun. Kung may nakita siyang damage, then titingnan, diba? Pero mahirap yung kaganyan, ipapasok na doon, aayusin, tapos na dali ng mga mekaniko na gaskasan nila, tapos ko-complain nila na mayroong damage, diba? So kaya binibidyohan ko rin siya, make sure. May kopya rin naman ako, may kopya ako ng aking mga videos. Right on. Kasi ayokong i-blame sa akin na merong damage yung sasakyan, yung item. Yan, diba? Chine-check niya. Tapos ako yung bubuljack ng kumpanya. Double check mo. If may damage na makita, then write it down. Compare natin sa video ko na binidyohan bago after ng load. Laki ng garage nila, oh. Yun ang tinatawag, guys, na playing safe, diba? Playing safe or cover your ass. Cover your ass para wala silang reason to complain. You say anything?
It's a wee bit dusty.
It's dusty. Yeah.
Are you the Pinoy trucker?
Oh, how did you know?
Because I fucking know everything.
Huh?
I know everything.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you watch?
I know, I've seen your YouTube channel. Yeah.
Wow, thank you so
I
much.
spend way much time watching stuff on YouTube.
Oh, really?
Oh, you go down the rabbit hole. Well, you watch you and then, oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, yeah, but you don't
3
understand.
hours later.
But you don't know, understand what I'm saying, right? Because it's Tagalog, it's
I
Filipino.
was going to say, is it Tagalog you're speaking? Or?
Yes, Tagalog, yeah.
Yeah. I worked with a guy with, he was here
Oh, there's a
few
Filipino
years.
here?
Yep, he was from. Oh, I'll probably say this wrong. Is it Bolo? Boho?
Bohol?
Bohol. It's in southern Philippines.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
a
yeah.
small island in the southern Philippines.
Yeah.
He was from there, like, and he spoke Tagalog, but he said they also spoke like a local dialect, a local language.
Yeah.
Because there was another guy here from Manila,
Uh-huh.
and he says they could all speak Tagalog, but they spoke different.
Yep, this is the funny thing in Philippines. The main language is Tagalog, right?
That's
We
right.
speak Tagalog,
Yeah.
but on their own language dialect in province, they have their own language there.
That's what it was called Riot. He explained this to me. He says, "Yep." He says, "We're almost bilingual.
Yeah.
They speak two
Yeah,
languages,
yeah.
like Tagalog, and then the local language."
So if you wanna communicate with other people, if you don't speak their dialect language, you speak Tagalog,
Tagalog, yeah.
so they can understand.
Yeah,
Oh,
I had that conversation with him. Like,
Thanks, Mike.
Yeah, you're
Have a
very
good day.
welcome. Take
Yeah,
care.
yeah, thanks.
See you next time.
Yeah. Holy smoke. Alam niyang holy smoke, ano naman? Nakakatawag doon. Kilala niya, man. Are you Pinoy trucker? Holy. Pati mga puti nanonood, no? Nice. Ano mo, lahat ito ay grade 70. Yeah, grade 70 lahat. Meron pang mas malaki nito, yung mga 1 inch. So tinatalian ko siya para malinis tingnan. Diba? Okay, yeah. Yun ang nakasama ko dun sa pag-load. So walk around. One more. Okay. Double check lang, baka may naiwan. Ang daming order ngayon ng sprayer. Done, boys. So wala pa akong reload, wala pang reply yung aking dispatch. What's the next plan? You can go home for time off. That's it. 5 days ahead. So magiging 10 days ang aking off instead of 5 days. 10 days off. Not bad. Why not, di ba? So I'm heading home to Winnipeg. Schedule ko lang yung aking EPU today or tomorrow. Then pahinga. I'll be back on September 1st week. Hello mga Tree and Chai. Dito na ako sa Winnipeg today. Alas 4 ng hapon. So hindi mo na ako dito sa Thermo King. Meron ako appointment sa Thermo King para ipagawa yung aking EPU. I-drop ko lang doon yung aking trailer, then bahala na sila gagawin. But kailangan ko makuha ang trailer bago mag-30 kasi alis kami. So yung iwanan siya doon na nandun lang siya nakatiwa mo ang tapos na. So bago mag-30 kailangan matapos nila kasi ano lang naman to yung sensor. But hindi mo na ako didiretso sa parking. Wala kasi kaming account dito sa Winnipeg sa truck wash. Ito lang yung lugar na wala kaming account. Sa Yorkton meron kami. Sa Amerika, anywhere sa Amerika na merong blue beacon. So pwede kami magpahugas doon. Sa Winnipeg, wala. Hi bro.
Hi. Hello, buddy. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Just 5 minutes. We are
Oh,
washing
oh
one-
shit. I'm gonna back up.
Yeah.
So tight, eh?
No, no. We can do that if you.
No, I can do it, but here, eh?
Yeah.
You don't have any entrance at the back? Really?
It's very easy. Just need to go this way and then back up.
Okay.
We do every day drive and refund.
Really? You should have an entrance there to the truck.
Not a big enough yard, man. Yeah, you can do. You wanna do first a truck or trailer?
Well, how many people do you have there?
2 guys.
So one for the truck will work for the truck and one for the trailer. Right.
So first we can wash your truck or either trailer.
Oh, so we're gonna change position? You mean like that?
Yeah. So first back up and then straight. So, yeah, your trailer is not that bad.
No, it's clean, man. It's clean. I just washed it from the US. So maybe $30? Huh?
50,
Huh?
50 is minimum.
50?
Yeah.
How about the truck? The truck is clean, man.
Yeah, 50 for truck and
50 for the truck. 50 for the truck.
Our rates are very cheap than other ones. Everyone charges $70. We charge 60.
This is only the dirt. Side is clean.
Maybe 5-10 minutes, then
5 to 10 minutes. So 4:07. So,
before 4:20 we will get.
huh?
Before 4:20 we will get you.
Or you said 5 to 10 minutes. Dinidil ko siya.
Done? Okay, done. It's done.
It's done?
Oy, kaya era trailer pala to.
Ang hirap ito dahil iikot ako dun, no? Fuck. Really?
ट्रेलर वाला बैग ही है 5-10 मिनट लगने
First time kong magpahugas dito sa area nila. So sige, hindi typical na truck wash itong area na to. Parang workshop lang. Shop lang siya, nilagyan ng na tagahugas. Pero dapat ang truck wash, meron kang entrance, meron kang exit. Entrance at saka exit, it's the same thing. Kung hugasan ang truck, iikot ako U-turn, then pasok na naman ang truck. Different, Indian style. At the company expense, wala silang reklamo sa pinahugas ko na $115. It's cheap. Napakaraming pera ni Q-Line, so wala sa kanila yan. Basta as long as take care yung equipment nila malinis, wala silang reklamo sa iyo. So nandito na ako ngayon sa Petropas. Dito na ako sa Petropas ngayon. Ibababa ko lahat ng mga gamit ko, lahat ng mga kailangan labahan, kailangan lahat, everything, ng mga pagkain na binaon ko kasi I'm expecting na meron pa akong load sana back and forth ng local load lang or unloading or pick up local lang, but yun nga, isang biyahe lang, traveling yung load, din pinauwi na ako. So ibababa ko lahat, everything, then bukas ng umaga dadalhin ko itong truck sa Thermo King para gawin yung EPU. Right? So yeah, hintayin ko lang yung sundo, everything, lahat, then off ko na yung aking starting kasi hindi ko na siya gagamitin for a couple of weeks, days, 10 days. Nandito na ang aking sundo. Ang aking sundo nandito na. So mga gamit, tanggal lahat, pati ito, tanggal lahat kasi kailangan labahan. Yan, lumabas na aking commander. Anak ni Commander Alibasbas. Hi! I'm back! isang gabi lang, ano? Yeah. Yeah. Allah! Oh, shit!
Give me that, tissue.
Holy smoking! Burdagol! Burdagol! Thanks, buds. I'll be back tomorrow. Hi! I'm back again! Kiss my papa.
Big dragon!
Yeah, I'm back again, guys. Just one night, no?
One night,
Yeah, just one night.
Welcome back, my dear.
Yeah, love you.
Yeah, that's so much better. I like it.
Oh, I'm gonna off by 10 days.
Wow.
Wow, until the end of.
Welcome to Canada. Of course. Welcome to Canada.
Ang daming bakasyon dito sa Q-Line. Yeah, ikaw lang yung magsasabi kung kailan ka magbabakasyon. Ang daming bakasyon, wala silang problema. Ito yung pinakagusto ko sa kanila.
Me too.
Take your off. Okay, go home. Take time off. Wala siyang reset 36. No, ikaw lang yung may gusto. Kung gusto mo mag-reset 36, it's okay. Gusto mo ng 5 days, 10 days, it's okay. Basta
Gives you time to spend with your family.
Yeah, spend time. Kaya, yeah, thank you so much. I'll be back. And guys, Kali, are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, Kali's happy kasi si Papa. 10 days mag-off si Papa. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bukas, dadali contract dito ko dadali natin. Susundan mo ako bukas kasi iwan ang contract doon. Dito tayo dadaan sa area niyan. Nandyan yung Thermo King.
Ilang days daw yon?
Oh, dali lang yun kasi sensor lang na ano yan. Sensor lang yan. Pero sinabi ni Nola until end of the month. Pero sabihin ko sa kanila, kailangan makuha ko siya within 29. Kasi kung matapos siya 30, mag-i-standby siya doon na ilang araw, di ba? Pero madali lang gawin yun. Nakabook na eh. So I'll see you guys on my next video pag amping muntanan. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye bye.